Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel Gadget Pro. Hey gamers, ready to level up your gaming? The Nintendo Switch 2 is here and it's packed with upgraded that will blow your mind. So let's go. First up, let's talk about this display. Nintendo moved it up to an 8-inch LCD screen, making everything look bigger and better. More screen, more immersion, what not to do? And check out those Joy-Cons. They now snap on magnetically, which means no more wobbly attachments. Plus Nintendo fixed rated drift issues with upgraded Hall effect sensors. Final tablet 2 players, this one's for you. The kickstand is now rock solid and fully adjustable, so no more balancing your Switch on the stick books. And here's a surprise, a second USB-C port, more flexibility for charging and accessories. Plus the design is slicker, more rounder and just feel great in your hands. Worried about your old games? The Switch 2 is backward compatible with most of its Switch titles, so you won't lose your favorites. But hands up, some older games might be fun with limited support. So is it worth the upgrade? Let us know in the comments. If you love gaming on the go and want the best hell into the experience, the Switch 2 is ready to when you are. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment and if you want to more gadget reviews and updates to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest gadget videos.